Oh my god. I really didn't expect this to feel so weird. I mean, it's just packing, right? But everything feels like it's changing. And then I noticed something that I've never noticed before, like why in my room always? This desk looks simple until now. So let's start from here. So bestie, let's see how much actually fits. Wait, these weren't supposed to be here, right? Why did it stick this here? Why it's not coming out? Wait, I found a purple gem here. And it reminds me of Sophia the First. Okay besties, by the time I pack some stationery stuff, I will tell you a little about how to shoot aesthetic videos for beginners. This sticker is not even in the organizer. Like it was like that whole time. Okay, never mind.
Angel starts back in her pouch.
See, as a small content creator, I'm going to tell you some tips. First, focus on lighting. Because lighting matters in your video. I prefer a mix of warm lighting with cool lighting because that makes your video looks aesthetic. If you don't have any lighting, then you can just use sunlight just like me. Research before posting a video or actually making a video. You should really know what you are making and how to make it. Third, make sure your camera is stable, it is not moving or shaking, and like it's stable at one place. Fourth, you don't need any expensive phones, just use what you have and upgrade later. I'll miss this desk area, but it was fine until something unexpected happened. Not again, like why do I always find dead bugs and spider webs inside my organizers? I mean, I clean these organizers, but never mind. Okay besties, this one might be the hardest. I see this every single day and I never really thought about it until now. It's weird how something so small can feel like such a big part of your space. Like it was never just decoration. It kind of became part of my routine, my life, and now I'm just taking it down like it was nothing. Okay, let's just start putting everything in. I didn't think this would take this long. Like, why am I doing this so carefully? It's just packing, right? But it doesn't feel that simple. It slowly became empty here. Besties, why does packing feel so normal but also so weird at the same time? And also, why does everything suddenly feel so important? And this was supposed to be quick, right? Because it is taking longer than I expected. You know what? In real, this took me hours. And while editing, I have like cut the clips. So, and if I don't cut the clips, it will be a very long video. Like it would be at least like 30 minutes video. Like, I'm literally multitasking right now. I'm even shooting, packing, and organizing, taping this stuff. It's just kind of exhausting, but it's fine. Okay, now everything goes in here. Once it's inside, I'm not taking it out again. So I keep stopping just to look at it one more time. I don't know why, but this part feels different. Yeah, I will open that in my new room, of course, and that video will come soon. So stay tuned for that as well. Okay, that's it. I guess it's packed now. Sayonara box. This was my room, where everything felt normal and cute. And now, it doesn't even feel like mine anymore. Everything's still here, but it feels completely different. I didn't think it would feel like this. Sayonara room. Dear Diary, today I packed up a place that felt like home. I didn't think it would feel this way, but I think I'm going to miss it. Angel. So kawaii besties, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye kawaii besties.